Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rabiah. I want to review of geoelectrical method in geophysical from groundwater exploration from surface. Introduction. The resistivity approach is one of the most promising geophysical techniques for groundwater studies. It is affordable and non-destructive, and at the right depth, it can provide insightful information about what is beneath the surface. Groundwater is one natural research that has changed over time among the different places. In open aquifers, groundwater is frequently easier to get and of higher quality than surface water. The hydrological cycle and groundwater are closely related. The Earth's water explored at the start of the hydrological cycle when heat from the sun changes the waters from liquid to gas or steam. Because of the temperature shift from hot to cool in the atmosphere, steam will travel through the air. Water will flow throughout this procedure as a result of water vapor condensing into liquid. When water reaches below freezing temperature, it freezes and crystallizes into ice. The water droplets will form as a result of the condensation, even cooling with other drops to generate large amounts that are then carried away by the turbulence and flow. Rain or precipitation is the result of enough water droplets will change into snow in the air temperature falls below 0 Celsius. Finding fresh groundwater for drinking and other daily purposes has become increasingly challenging due to this issue. Furthermore, the issue will intensify to include the area's ecosystem sustainability. Groundwater supplies are essential to economic growth, agriculture, and industrial productivity. The demand for groundwater has been rising steadily due to expanding population, irrigated agriculture, and economic growth with little consideration for the environment. The aspects of research management are inventory, use law, recommendation, control, and catchment area. Groundwater supplies are essential to economic growth, agriculture, and industrial productivity. The demand for groundwater has been rising steadily due to expanding population, agriculture, and economic growth with little consideration for the environment. Few aspects of research management are inventory, usage laws, limits, recommendation, control, and catchment area monitoring. The guiding concept of social functioning, economic value, public benefit, integration, harmony, balance, and sustainability are used to accept this. One of the essential components of nature, clean water is today hard to come by because of the growing demands of society and the degradation of its quality brought on by water pollution. Nowadays, water drawn from southern aquifer is treated as one of the significant renewable nature resources that could help sustain ecosystem and human life. The goal of the water quality evaluation is to characterize the possibility of water pollution in nearby residential areas. The following factors are used to determine the quality of water: pH, dissolved solids, chemical oxygen demand, biological oxygen demand, and the purpose of this study is to examine geoelectrical techniques such as those used in geophysical exploration to map groundwater and subsurface structure respectively in order to highlight current investment to significant of technology advancement and potential future direction for the industry. Geoelectrical survey method. Resistivity method involved creating artificial electrical currents, putting them in the ground, and measuring the voltage that result at the surface. Two electrodes are used to control the electrical current delivered, and potential electroda are used to monitor the potential difference between the two on the surface. The resistivity method have been extensively used in many domains, including groundwater, saline freshwater interface, exploration of conductive materials like are bodies, parting water saturation from oil and gas saturation, etc. One winner configuration. When configuration, the resistivity tomography measurement is performed using the Wiener configuration techniques. The current electrode and potential electrode in Wiener's arrangement are positioned as shown this figure 2. The current and potential electrodes in this design have the same midway, and the distance between the neighboring electrodes are the same. Schlumberger array. The Schlumberger array, like figure 3, contains a common midpoint and two electrodes for the current and potential, just like the Wiener design. However, the distance between adjacent electrode difference. Assume that the distance between the potential electrode and the current electrode is like this using Schlumberger array. Next one is Schlumberger. Their likes make up the research, which was acquired utilizing a geoelectrical approach and a Wiener Schlumberger array. Next, the software Resistive will be used to process the data in order to determine the true resistivity of the surface. One of the geophysical survey techniques, the geoelectrical method, is on the electrical characteristics for subsurface rock. By using this technique, current is streamed from the surface to the subsurface. Rising potential, the value of which depends on the kind of rocks present. Pole-dipole, a pair of current electrodes C1, C2, and another pair of potential electrodes make up the pole-dipole configuration, as shown in figure 6. These electrodes are arranged in a straight line and fixed on the ground surface. The final current electrode C2 is fixed at a distance from the configuration. This is approximately 5 to 10 times the expand penetration depth and at an effective infinity distance from the array. Okay, conclusion. We discovered possible water seepage with a resistivity value of less than 2 and a depth of 2 meters in the finding of geological measurement using 4 configurations: pole-dipole, Wiener, Schlumberger, and pole-dipole. The Wiener Schlumberger configuration has the deepest penetration of 7.38 meters, while the Wiener configuration has the lowest RMS value at 40.4%. The pole-dipole arrangement is not appropriate for the characteristic and issue present in the research area because of its very shallow coverage. The dipole-dipole configuration has a medium processing time and a length and depth value that are reasonably balanced. We advancing use the dipole-dipole configuration in this observation to assess the possibility.